Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to make sure that only your friends can see your photo story on Facebook using the latest update on PC. If you want to keep your photo story more private and share it only with people you're connected to, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive into the steps. First, open Facebook on your computer. Once you're logged in, go to your home page, where you'll find the option to create a story. Click on Create a Story to start the process. Next, choose Create a Photo Story from the available options. This will allow you to share a photo story with your friends. Now, select the photo you'd like to share by clicking on it, then hit Open to upload the image to your story. If you'd like, you can crop or rotate the photo to make sure it's exactly how you want it. Take your time to adjust it if needed. Once your photo looks good, you'll see a text box on the left side of the screen where you can type your caption or any message you'd like to add. You can also pick a font style to make your text stand out. Next, look for the small gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings for your story. In the Settings menu, select Friends. This option ensures that only people on your friends list will be able to see your story. After choosing Friends, click Save to apply your settings. Finally, click Share to Story, and your photo story will be shared with your friends only. And that's it. Now you know how to make sure that only your friends can see your Facebook photo story. It's an easy way to keep your updates private and share with the people you trust. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.